Alright, so at this point we've got the M.2 SSD installed in the laptop, and we also have Windows recognizing it as a drive right here. The next thing we're going to do is clone the internal eMMC drive to the M.2 SSD. For this we're going to use Aomi Backupper. It's a free program you can download, so go ahead and download that and install it. And once you fire that up, we're going to go to the clone feature. We're going to go to disk clone, choose your source disk as that one, which is the existing C drive. Click next, choose your destination disk. This is the D. And you'll notice how the built-in drive is only a 32 gig drive, and we're cloning to a larger drive of about 128 gigs. So that's going to come into play in a second here. Go ahead and click yes to this. And we want to make sure to choose align partition to optimize for SSD. And we also want to choose edit partitions on this destination disk. And we want to choose add unused space to all partitions. And click OK. And start clone. And we're going to go ahead and let this run.